What is up, everyone? This is Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows 10 update error code 0x800f0845 that you may be getting when you're trying to install. So let's go right into this. So if you're getting this error, there's a few ways to fix this. The first thing you can do is there's actually an update assistant. Ignore the date it says, but there's literally an update assistant that helps you install certain updates on your Windows 10 device. So basically clicking into this link, pressing update now, will install a lot of these updates that you might be getting normal issues when you're trying to install from your computer itself. Now, if you've done this and it still doesn't work, the next thing you want to do is go to your settings and type in troubleshoot settings until you come here and click into additional troubleshooters. In here, you want to click into where it says Windows Update, and it says resolve problems that prevent you from updating Windows, and there's literally a troubleshooter for this that you want to basically run. Let it run its process, and it's going to fix it for you, obviously if you're having errors, and then you should be good to go. It's going to most likely tell you to restart your computer, and then that's basically it. You'll be good to go. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys love the video, please smash the like, go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that Tutorials out. Peace.